It's the fifth smallest country in the world.
I hope I pronounced it correctly.
I'm Vera. And this is Aldo.
Yay!
And this is our tiny home on wheels, Toto. We have been driving around the world for the past 4 years, visiting over 50 countries on 5 continents. Witnessing with our own eyes how beautiful, but at the same time how fragile our world is. Click on the subscribe button and join our adventure.
We're going to San Marino. It's a beautiful sunny day. San Marino, it's a country within the country because it's landlocked in Italy. It's the fifth smallest country in the world and the third smallest in Europe. They have their own tax regime, their own flag, and it's one of the richest countries per capita in the world. We're almost there and we're very curious to find out more.
Welcome to the land of freedom. Sounds good?
We are in the San Marino fortress between two towers. It's called in Italian Passo delle Streghe, which is pass. I wouldn't say by the views because they are just spectacular.
Over there, you can see the Adriatic Sea. And it's also quite steep up here.
Not for faint-hearted. This is the second tower and this is the first tower.
First impressions of San Marino, we wouldn't mind living here.
Such a small, beautiful country inside Italy. Spectacular.
Everything is organized, nice and clean, quiet, peaceful. It's like we are still in the Middle Ages. Really, really nice. I think we are gonna enjoy walking here today. Fresca?
Molto buona.
Sì, sì, le armi sono legali a San Marino.
Ah, sì?
It's sunset. We are on top of Monte Titano in the historical town of San Marino, the historic center. It's very beautiful. It's been a very quiet day, peaceful, nobody around. We've seen a face of San Marino not many people get to see. Everything is closed, so there are the downsides, but we really enjoyed it. We are now on top of 360-degree views. On one side, they got the mountains. On the other side, there is the sea. So we're really enjoying the end of the day as the cherry on top of the cake. We may be going around to take some photos in the night and to see all illuminated how it's going to look like. We'll see.
We just had breakfast. We slept very peacefully inside this nice camping area in San Marino. And it's a beautiful sunny day outside, so just before leaving we decided to take another walk inside the old town. We are at one of viewpoints in San Marino. In the morning, the cliff, it's all illuminated and you can enjoy the views from this side. We thought of telling you some interesting facts about San Marino. It's one of the oldest republics in the world and they have never lost an invasion. As you can see, they have a very good advantage point being so high on top of Mount Titano. They speak two languages, Italian and Samarinese dialect, and we met some of the locals and they told us that in Samarinese dialect, "Ci un sburon," it means you're a cool guy. I hope I pronounced it correctly. We had a very pleasant stay here in San Marino. The people are very polite and well educated, and despite being a least visited country in Europe, it will always have a special place in our heart.
In San Marino, the fuel is between 20 to 30 cents cheaper than Italy. A full tank is a no-brainer. And a little bit more